This was a failed destiny swap. Someone tried to destiny swap with you, and I feel like this individual may have been a past life enemy. This individual tried to intervene in a love connection. And I feel as if this person wanted the person that you were talking to, in a relationship with, they wanted them to choose them over you. They used the art of manipulation. They may have stalked the person that you are dealing with online. They may have swayed a person away from you, you know. And for some of you, it doesn't have to be a relationship. It could simply be, this individual wanted some sort of popularity within your community. They wanted to align with your siblings in some way, because they were very jealous of the fact that a lot of people liked you, a lot of people found you to be very amazing. This individual, I feel, wanted to have your light, they wanted to have your character, and it resulted in them trying to embody your energy, trying to copy the way that you talk, the way that you walk, the way that you look, especially the way that you communicate. They analyzed you, and they saw the way that you conversated with others. They saw the way that your partner loved you. They saw the way that you got on with your siblings, you got on with people in the neighborhood, and they tried to align with these same people and bring forth your energy to these same people. This person worked extremely hard trying to analyze you, trying to plan and plot how they were going to snatch everything from you, because they felt like you were non-deserving. They were so jealous, and they are jealous, I should say, of the love that people poured over you. They saw the way that people enjoyed your company. They saw the way that you embody love. And this person, they wanted people to turn their back on you. And for some of you, it worked, and for others of you, it didn't work, especially if it is in regards to like a sibling or a love suitor, is what I'm picking up. I feel like this love suitor was not acceptable for this destiny swap to happen. I feel in some cases it may have appeared that this individual's plan was working, but this individual was unable to cross a certain line. There was boundaries that were put up. And I feel like this individual, for some of you, tried to align with maybe your mother. This individual was very desperate to harness your energy because they felt like they were lacking a lot of love in their life. They felt like love was being blocked off from them. And for some of you, I feel like this could also have been a sibling. This individual was very determined to seize all opportunities that they felt that you had. These could be opportunities in regards to projects that you were going to, launch. Maybe you belong to a group, club, or organization. This person joined this group, club, or organization, the same ones that you joined. They had no passion about these group, clubs, or organization, but they felt like if you are doing it, I've got to do it. And then what happened is they tried to attain a certain level within these communities before you, even though they had no passion about doing the things that you were doing before. They just didn't want you to do it. I feel like this person put in a lot of work, a lot of effort to try and gain some sort of blessing that they could foresee that you will get in the future. This could be, inheritance. They may have felt like, oh, if you stay with this partner, you and this partner are going to be stable, you're going to have children, you're going to marry rich, or something of that sort. There was some sort of legacy that this person was chasing after. They wanted to stop and block you from gaining it. And each time they tried to come up against you and try to get things before you, block you from achieving something. They were met with a lot of road blockages because it wasn't designed for them to be on the path that they were on. But even so, they still continued to go down this route, regardless of the fact that cycles kept closing for them. Now, in general, cycles can close for us for different reasons, but this person was on the wrong path and they refused to listen to their guides. They refused to see the signs that they should stay in their own lane. They were too bothered about the lane that you were on. This individual, I feel, was very resentful of you, and they decided to, not for all of you, but for some of you, they decided to try and use, you know, I feel that they wanted some sort of sympathy from other people. They also used a lot of emotional manipulation as well. They may have tried to use seduction in order to lure a love partner away from you. And for some of you, this individual did not even have romantic feelings for this love partner that they were trying to destiny swap you with. But because you were dating this person, because you were engaged to this person, because you were, talking to this individual, they could see how the chemistry between yourself and this individual was blossoming. They could see how intense the chemistry was. They could see how you and this other person were falling in love, and they felt like they didn't have that type of connection in their life. And they tried to seize this opportunity, this person from you. Now, no one belongs to us, but this individual wanted what you had. And I have to stress, they did not have romantic feelings for this individual. And even though they tried to lure a love suitor away from you, they were met with rejection. They were met with this individual turning them down. This person wanted a lot of people to want them. This is a type of person that even if they're with someone, they will still be looking at who Sally is with, who Jeff is dating. They wanted a lot of outside validation. And part of the reason why they were trying to destiny swap with you is because of their jealousy for you. Like I said, whatever you had, they had no interest in it, whether that is a hobby, whether that is, this is the type of person, they don't even get on with their own siblings. They don't even get on with their own friends, but they wanted your friends. They wanted your siblings. They wanted your talents. They wanted your whole being. But luckily, you are very in tune with yourself. So you understood what this person was trying to do. And it caused great confusion, but it led you to your healing. Maybe some of you detached from this individual. Some of you, unfortunately, may have dimmed your light because of this individual. You may have felt like what you wanted didn't want you, but they weren't successful. This person was not successful in regards to breaking up a connection. They weren't successful in regards to robbing you of your talents. They tried to be a third party in a situation with you and it failed. They were left stuck. They were left stuck and confused because whilst you were in hermit mode, whilst you were healing, you grew stronger, you grew more confident. You jumped into a new timeline. You started to believe in yourself. And this person grew very worried. This person was threatened because during that time you were in hermit mode, this person was living out a life that was designed for you in a sense. And this person was getting away with things. Maybe they did break up a connection, a friendship. Maybe they gained some sort of blessings within some sort of friendship group or whatever the case is. But then what happened is people started to walk away from this person. The timeline that they were on came to an abrupt end. And now this person is on the outside looking in. Now all the blessings that they wanted, especially with this romantic partner, is being snatched away. This person is on the outside looking in. People are turning their back on this individual. This person's going to witness you settling down, you being successful, you being victorious, and gaining all